This is Science Mentor, and in this lesson you will learn different ways to how to move columns in Excel. The arrangement of columns and rows in an Excel spreadsheet is an important factor in its readability and convenience. Sometimes you need to improve your spreadsheet by moving the columns in your Excel spreadsheet. Manually entering the data in a column to another column might be the go-to solution if the column includes few cells, but this method will be excruciating in larger columns. Luckily, there are methods that allow you to effortlessly move columns in Excel. To quickly move columns in Excel without overwriting existing data, press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard. First, select a column. Hover over the border of the selection. A four-sided arrow appears. Press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard and left mouse button. Move the column to the new position. To move multiple columns, you can do the same by dragging multiple columns. Also, you can use Insert Card option to move columns. To do that, first select columns that you want to move, then right-click and click Cut. Select a column. The columns will be inserted before the selected column. Right-click and then click Insert Cut Cells. Finally, you can change the order of all columns in following way. Select row 1, right-click and then click Insert. Use the first row to indicate the new order of the columns. For example, I want to show list 1 and list 2 before post. Select Table and on the Data tab, in the Sort and Filter group, click Custom Sort. In the Sort dialog box, click Options. Click Sort Left to Right and click OK. Select row 1 from the Sort by drop-down list and click OK. Did row 1 and you can see your table has been sorted as you need. Thank you for liking this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for the latest videos.